Inspired by the ancient art of pottery, Foo House was designed to be rigid in structure, yet malleable in use, precise in form, yet imperfect in texture, varied in volume, yet limited in materials. Pottery has played a fundamental role in most societies throughout history, serving as a key source for understanding these civilizations today. In 2018, the owners of a large plot of land in central Phoenix, including a ceramic artist, approached the ranch mine to design this home where their family could grow and create. The house's facade is composed of materials well suited to the arid climate, such as board-formed concrete, rusted corrugated metal, hand-troweled stucco, steel, and glass. Each material has a unique texture and finish, evolving over time with exposure to the elements and striking a balance between contrast and complementarity. Inside, wood adds warmth and a sense of history. A fallen tree was repurposed to craft the custom dining table and the stair treads leading to the mezzanine, where a steel bar offers views of the distant mountains. The house is divided into three main functional elements: a central volume for shared living spaces, one for the bedrooms, and another for utility areas. This layout forms a large internal courtyard, providing privacy and shelter from the intense desert sun. Stepping outside, a covered patio extends the living space, leading to a dining and grilling area just steps away from a sunken fire pit, an olive grove, and a pool with an integrated spa and Baja shelf, a broad, shallow ledge, ideal for children. The central volume houses an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area on the ground floor, along with a mezzanine above. High ceilings and open-plan living areas enhance the sense of spaciousness and allow natural light to flood the interiors, strengthening the home's connection to the surrounding landscape. Custom woodwork appears in contrast with the board-formed concrete in key spaces such as the kitchen, powder room, and study nook in the hallway. Throughout the house, a neutral palette and a blend of natural and industrial materials create a timeless aesthetic. Each material, with its distinct texture and finish, evolves with time and the elements, carefully composed to balance contrast and harmony. The home's name derives from Fu, the Chinese character for luck and good fortune, honoring the residents' Chinese heritage. In the children's bedrooms, the sloped ceiling creates a lofted reading nook above the ensuite bathroom and closet. The front facade features minimal openings, while the rear elevation boasts large glass surfaces that allow natural light to enter. Facing north, this facade avoids direct sun exposure and is further protected by an extended overhang. The outdoor spaces were designed for both leisure and food production. The property includes a chicken coop, a citrus grove, a stone fruit orchard, and raised planting beds for growing vegetables and herbs. The landscaping was designed by the local firm, The Green Room.